The Share tab within the Miscellaneous settings will allow you to change the default share settings for the end users. For example, being able to define the default sharing type from public to private to password protected share, setting a default share expiry in days, setting the default max share upload size. You can select if you want this to be in gigabytes, megabytes, kilobytes, or bytes. Enabling or disabling sharing to groups for private shares. This allowing default share settings to be changed, meaning that whatever you set on this tab cannot be changed by the end user. Removing expired shares and or deleting the files from the expired shares. You can also set the public shares must be password protected. You can also attach the password by default for public shares. You can set the public share password's default length and enable password complexity for public shares which are password protected. This allows changing the share name, hide share link via email, which means this will not show the send share link via email option, send email notifications for shares that are about to expire, encode the owner's username in the share URL, and the email notification sent for expiry share in days, meaning that as per the default configuration, 3 days before a share expires, the user will be notified. These are the default settings within the Share tab under the Miscellaneous.